Today I'm going to give you an overview of Dr. Wynn's EDAD 5316 Instructional Leadership course enhancements that I have created. First, I created a homepage that will be welcoming to students with a message from Dr. Wynn of the course information and important things that students need to know. Next, I created a more interactive and organized course and information page with links to the course syllabus, the course schedule, and information on how Dr. Wynn organizes her courses. The course syllabus, if you click here, it says the course syllabus includes everything you need to know about EDAD 5316 in order to be successful. Please click here to view or print the syllabus throughout the semester. So if you click here, you will be able to view the course syllabus. And this allows students to view or print. It's really their preference. The next thing I added was the course schedule. I went in and organized the course schedule to make it more user-friendly and compact for students to view. The course schedule includes exact dates and assignments due throughout the course and may be used as a checklist throughout the semester. Please click here to view or print the schedule throughout the semester. So if you click here, you can view the course schedule with specific dates for each module, as well as trainings that students have the opportunity to attend in order to gain some certifications throughout the course. The final piece is the course organization, and it says each module is organized with the same format. Students will be provided with general information about the module and the content file is developed using SoftChalk. All of the information needed for each module should be available within the content component. Each module will have the following items: an overview, support, and a check for understanding. Next, I added an instructor information page, which allows students to get to know Dr. Wynn a little better. So it includes her name, her title, her contact information, including her email, office phone number, cell phone number, office hours, and the location. Next, I changed the announcements. Instead of the announcements being the home page, I made the announcements a separate page. That way students can view Dr. Wynn's important announcements throughout the course. The next step that I took was to go into each learning module and I organized the learning modules so that they would be consistent throughout, and I checked for spelling and grammatical issues throughout. I also added collaborative and interactive activities for students. So the first activity I added was in Module 1. So in Module 1, if you click on Module 1 Content, this will open up the SoftChalk. And throughout the SoftChalk, in this first one, I added a Google community post for students to have the opportunity to collaborate with one another. So students were asked to read this article, "Is your school culture toxic or positive?" And then after reading the article, they were to think about campus culture, connect with class members in the Google community page. And they were supposed to post an original comment and then respond to 2 other class members. In Module 2, I added a school survey. So this allows students to I created the survey using a Google Doc. And this allows students to reflect on their current school culture and answer some questions based on their campus culture. And then Dr. Wynn is going to share those results with the class. The next module that I added to was Module 3. And in Module 3, I allowed students the opportunity to connect with their class members using a Google Hangout. So this allows students to get on Google Hangout and collaborate with each other based on the information in the videos and in the readings. So students will connect with their small group for about 30 minutes to discuss the sample coaching videos that they watched and their takeaways from watching these videos. And then the group leader will send a screenshot to Dr. Wynn. In Module 4, I added a Linowit activity, which allows students to connect with one another using a Linowit Post-it. So students will, and on page 4, students will go to the Linowit canvas, and I included instructions on how to create an account for this activity. So students will go and add a sticky note, and then they will post and respond to 2 others regarding their views on questioning strategies within the classroom as an administrator. For modules 5 and 7, students have the opportunity to work on their campus portfolio project, so I did not add any additional activities. And in the final module, Module 6, I added another community post, which kind of ties back students to be able to connect one more time with their classmates. So the students, after they read the required text and watched the videos, they will answer the following questions. They will create an original post and then respond to 2 class members discussing data-driven leadership and what is the role of a campus principal in creating a culture that supports data-driven improvement. So that is all of the additions that I added to each of the modules. I also went through and organized each module to make sure that they were consistent. I organized each of the tabs on the left to make sure that they were in groups of what I thought that was important with each other. So of course we started with our home page, our course information, our instructor information, and then important announcements. I know Dr. Wynn does use her announcement feature pretty frequently, so I wanted to make sure that that was included in the front as well. Then I made sure that the learning modules were by themselves so students could understand where the content was. Finally, the assignment section included the campus portfolio and chapter presentations throughout the course. And then the assessments throughout the modules, there were quizzes and their midterm and final exams. Students also have the opportunity to go in and see their grades based on, the different aspects of the course. And then also I left the web links. That way students have quick links to videos throughout the course, as well as course email so students can have conversations with one another, and course tools, which was helpful for students. So that is a brief overview of the additions that I added to Dr. Wynn's EDAD 5316 course. And I hope that these additions will allow students to have a more organized and user-friendly course, as well as provide opportunities for students to collaborate with one another.